Hey, what's going on, family? So, question: do you think SoFi bottomed out? Do you think the market is now ready to continue to go higher in price? Hopefully, the chart will give us these answers that I just posed the question to you about. So, let's go ahead and talk about it real quick. But before I do, as always, if you're new to this channel, welcome. This is what we do. You guys can see right now on your screen, I have a price prediction for SoFi, to which we were looking for the market to go down. Now, the stock is going up. So maybe we can drop another price prediction looking for SoFi to go higher. Let's see. But before I do, hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. I'm here to give you all a different perspective, viewpoint of how to look at the market without any confusion. So if you want to learn more, or if anything, you just want to have a heads up as to where we're predicting price, then make sure you guys keep it locked. Now, here it is. Price prediction in SoFi was produced right there on the 20th of February. It only took a couple of days for the market to hit ultimate TP price 17.15% right here on March the 7th. So let's go get rid of that. We already identified that area as a pocket of buying. Ultimately, the buyers held price a little bit lower. So we're going to move the pocket to where those buyers actually came and supported SoFi. Okay. Now, this sell pocket right here is now gone. The sellers are no longer there. The buyers have eradicated them. And now they're trying to hit these next sellers around 14 bucks. Okay. So now, real quick look. And SoFi on the 2. What do you think? Do we look bullish or bearish? Looking at this on the 2, I give it to the buyers, but they're not strong. The buyers aren't really that strong, even though they have been pushing price higher. Closing off of the high of this 2-day price bar lets me know that those sellers, they're still in this position. They're fighting back. Here it is on the 3. So we have 9 hours, 7 minutes left. Again, it looks pretty much like the 2. And the market is still off of the highs. Again, that's not a good signal if we're considering price in SoFi to continue to go higher. Look at this on the 4. Take a look at SoFi on the 5. That's a very good 5-day bar right here. Not this one, but this one. That's a good one. Seeing that on the 5, it looks as if the market wants to at least inch up higher. Not like rally, not like explode up to, $16, $15, but it at least wants to, shall I say. I do like this on the 2 weeks. I definitely want to see the conclusion of the 2 weeks in 2 days and 10 hours. If this market closes up there, the higher the bar. If it does, great. If it doesn't, look at this. Let me zoom out. You can see how far away we are still away from this trend line. Okay, so we are literally today 30%. So these pockets right here that I have already on our chart are logical areas that we can see price come in touch in the long term. I'm not saying that that's about to happen now, but keep that on your radar. Here it is on the 3 weeks, 2 days, 10 hours left. Again, selling hit the market on this 3-week price bar. Buyers currently are moving the market back up. So I still think generally the market is weak in SoFi, but this may just be a reprieve or a break to allow these buyers to try to lift up SoFi so that these sellers can grab control again and then lower the market longer term. Here it is on the 5. This is the reason why I still think long term this stock is weak. This 5-weekly price bar there. And for the month, here it is, 5 more days, 10 hours. You can definitely tell on the monthly time frame that buyers are coming back into the market in SoFi. So somebody thinks that this stock is a buy. Here it is on the 5-hour chart. Still looks pretty bullish. But I'm just going to be aware and let you know now that these pockets of selling up here would be points that I would be targeting in the event that we can see a reversal and price begin to go down again. Okay. You can see right here on the 3-hour that sellers are currently hitting the market right there at our pocket of selling. Okay, so you can see that. Here it is on the 1. Again, you can see it right there on the 1. Now this right here is telling you that buyers are currently here. That bar right there. Here it is on the 330. Here it is on the 30-minute chart. So yeah, this is going to be important. I would say, look at this. This area right here needs to hold. If this area holds and buyers don't let sellers take this pocket out and price continues to break out, the market is really strong. Okay, if that happens. If that don't happen, the next area that I would say the buyers don't need to let these sellers control is this pocket right there. Okay. These are the pockets that's very important for us to know if this stock's going to continue to go up. And this one here is the biggest. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to look for the price in Sofi to go higher, but we already know what we're up against. Price is near a sell pocket, right? So if price doesn't go up, that's part of the risk. We know what we're going against. We know that these sellers are there. I showed you on a smaller time frame that they're there. And if it doesn't go higher, hey, it just played out that way, right? So that's going to be our first target. Okay, this first sell pocket. At the high, it's going to be around 4.8% at $14.17. Our next target is going to be up here at the low of this next sell pocket, which is $14.60, 8%. Third target is going to be up there around $15, 10.72%. I really think the decision for the long-term placement of where price is going to go in Sofi is going to happen here. If price gets here, I'll be looking for the market to begin that long-term move to the downside, if not sooner. All right, so we'll see though. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.